Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to another Unity tutorial. And if you ever had that problem where when you go and select any object and you press to duplicate, you get that really awful sort of in brackets and then the number of your object that you want. And I always end up having to go through and sort of rename it to 1 because I don't like the way it increments it, and it just doesn't look nice to me, and I want a nicer way to do it. So today we can. If you're in Unity 2020.3 or above, you can go to Edit at the top, you can go to Project Settings, you can go to the Editor tab, then you can scroll down to the bottom of the Editor tab, you can go to the numbering scheme for GameObject naming, and you can name it to whether you want a 0.1, an _1, where I quite like the _1, then you can actually set the GameObject digits. So as you scroll these digits up, you can have a 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, depending how you want to increment it. So if I just want just keep it on default. And now if we go back in and try and duplicate the object, we get a much nicer incrementation of how these should be laid out between what numbers we should have. So this is a really quick tip to be able to create it. And check out Unity's current Mega Bundle sale, which has a bunch of 90% off special effects tools, sound packs, and so much more, where you can get a selection here. I'll put all the links in the description and you can check these out. So be sure to come and join me on Discord. So be sure to come and check out my Patreon if you want scripts, entire projects, and stuff you can't find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.